Come here, baby. Hello.
Come on here.
I'm here. Where you want me to go? Where you want me to go? Come here, baby. Hi. Hi, pretty bird. Yeah, you are a pretty bird. Right? You're a silly bird. That's what you are. Nah. You're a silly bird? What do you mean to rub your head? You gotta do like that commercial or that thing on TikTok. Alexa, play music. Say Alexa, play music. You don't want to say that? What happened? I'm gonna teach you how to say Alexa, play music. You want to be called Alexa? No.